A bag contains 6 white and 4 black balls. A die is rolled once and the number of balls equal to the number obtained on the die are drawn from the bag at random. The probability that all the balls drawn are white is 1 greater than 1/4, 2 greater than 9/50, 3 greater than 1/5, 4 greater than 11/50. Total number of white balls equals 6, total number of black balls equals 4, total number of balls equals 6 plus 4 equals 10. In the question given that all balls should be white, so favorable number of cases are as follows. When 1 is coming on dice then 1 white ball selected. When 1 is coming on dice then 1 white ball selected, equals 166C1/10C1. When 2 is coming on the dice then 2 white balls are selected. Probability equals 166C2/10C2. When 3 is coming on the dice then 3 white balls are selected. Probability equals 1/6C3/10C3. When 4 is coming on the dice then 4 white balls are selected. Probability equals 1/6C4/10C4. When 5 is coming on the dice then 5 white balls are selected. Probability equals 1/6C5/10C5. When 6 is coming on the dice then 6 white balls are selected. Probability equals 1/6C6/10C6. So required probability will be the sum of all these cases. P required condition equals 166C1/10C1 plus 166C2/10C2 plus 166C3/10C3 plus 166C4/10C4 plus 166C5/